हेलो माय फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप लोग यूके आ रहे हैं और लंदन में रहने वाले हैं एंड इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू बुक यूनाइट स्टूडेंट्स accommodation which is located in central London, so let me show you the ensuite room of this particular place. This entire student accommodation was really amazing. नीचे सारी facilities थी ground floor पे, like games, and they also have a gym. One of my niece has come here to study her banking and finance masters and उसने book किया है अपने लिए एक studio, but until she gets it for 10 days she has got this ensuite room. So let me show you what all things they have provided here. उसने directly book नहीं किया था with Unite students, but she has booked it through a agent, which details I will mention in the caption. Along with this, they have also provided her certain basic things like blanket दे दिया है उसे, विच आई जस्ट शोड यू, एंड देन उसके बाद एक बॉक्स में ये सारी चीज़ें पड़ी थी. सो सबसे पहले ये दिया है उन लोगों ने लैपटॉप के लिए बैग, देन देर इज़ अ पॉट, लंच बॉक्स, बेसिक पैन to make your Maggi, omelets, eggs, and then a cup, bowl. Then there is a glass to drink water. Let's see what else. So there are basic food items so that आप arrive कर रहे हैं तो you should survive for a day until you find and figure out कि आपको क्या चीज़ें कहाँ से लेनी है. तो उसमें cup noodles, soup और एक chocolate है. And then you have this towel and all like small towels and toilet paper. Then you have basmati rice ka packet which you just have to microwave and heat. And you have basic spoon fork ka set. And then you also have a big one for cooking food, spatula. And then this is a lid for that particular pot which we saw. And there is a plate. So you can avoid getting all these things if you are booking it through an agent. आप पहले ही confirm कर लीजिए and then you can get the things accordingly. They've also given a SIM card. This one is of Laika. I generally prefer having a Lebra plan because their plans are much more affordable, and I have recommended my niece as well to get that one. I've referred her actually, and that gives you 50% discount for first 3 months, so that is any day better. बहुत ही सस्ता पड़ता है. Then this is the agent name. This is not a collaboration video. I'm just sharing in case if you need it for the guys who are coming to London or you're planning to book your accommodations. Maybe you can book it through them. रूम काफ़ी अच्छे से नीट एंड क्लीन करके दिया है. ऑल्सो द यूनाइट स्टूडेंट्स का जो रिसेप्शन है, दे डोंट टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर द क्लीनलीनेस. यू हैव टू कनेक्ट विथ योर एजेंट ओनली. दिस इज़ अ बाथरूम. दिस ऑल्सो लुक्स प्रीटी गुड एंड डिसेंट. And then there is another storage here to keep your stuff, and there is also more storage which I will just show you. And over here, so they have given television. Then there is a bed, and bed ke underneath there is certain storage. Bed became so high because of this, like literally कूद के बैठना पड़ रहा था, which makes it a little tricky, but also it looked very cozy. And this is a study table. If you want to see video of the kitchen as well, do comment and share. And this is what all she got for me from back from Madhya Pradesh. You know this Jiravan is very famous in MP. They put all across in poha and sandwiches. आपने बहुत सारी stories ये देखी होंगी famous of Indore. And this is vitamin D capsule, chai patti, garam masala. And I hope you guys like this video. I'll come back with more such videos. Thank you so much.